Welcome back to Frugal Man Outdoors. With my last couple videos, you noticed we got snow in Florida. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning, so we're going to step outside and see exactly how much snow we have. Let's go. The door is dragging across the snow on the porch, and it is pretty thick. Everything is covered. Without measuring it, it looks like we have more than 5 inches out here. That is a 5-gallon bucket that was on the table. I covered up our bonsai tree with it. But what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cut into this area here, and then I'm gonna measure. Okay, so this table is out in the middle without any being interrupted by anything, so we'll probably get the best reading of depth. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm gonna bring you in a little bit closer. Okay. So now it looks like we have 6 inches of snow. Just under 6 inches. And it's right at 6 inches over here. So we're gonna check a couple more spots. Okay, we're gonna check on top of the Blackstone here. See what we got. And looks like 6 inches there, just under 6 inches there. I'd say it's safe to say we're looking at just under 6 inches. There's probably drifts around that are deeper than that, but I won't say probably 5 3/4 to 6 inches of snow. And we're in Jackson County, Florida. So stay warm, turn your heat on, get bundled up if you have to get out, and please stay off the roads. There's a lot of people that don't know how to drive in this stuff. That's our little bonsai tree. When it started snowing, I realized I better cover him up, so we put a bucket on top of him, and I'm glad I did, because he may have got damaged from the weight of the snow. Everything is covered. I moved to Florida to get away from this stuff, and it followed me. I guess we could call this the blizzard of 2025. Anyone I talked to said they have not seen any snow like this in Florida ever. This is pretty rough. My body does not like the snow. I have arthritis, the cold weather, the dampness. It's not something I like. It is pretty though. I'll put the bird feeders back up and let them get back to eating, because they can't get to anything now. Okay, so now the birds will be happy. I'm not. My body does not like this cold. So I need to get back into the warm air. Thanks for watching. See you next time.